Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make churros with 3 ingredients. First, let's gather our simple components. You will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. That's it. These basic items are the foundation for creating wonderfully crispy and sweet churros right in your own kitchen. Get ready to transform these few ingredients into a delightful treat that everyone will love. Now, let's create the dough. In a medium saucepan, combine your 1 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Heat this mixture over medium heat until it reaches a gentle boil. Once boiling, immediately remove the pan from the heat. Add the 1 cup of all-purpose flour all at once and stir vigorously with a wooden spoon until a smooth, thick dough ball forms. This process is quick and crucial for the perfect churro texture. Now, let's make some in-game adjustments. Launch Euro Truck Simulator 2 on your computer. Once the game loads, go into the Options menu and find the graphics settings. Here, you can adjust visual quality to suit your television's capabilities. Also, ensure your preferred control method, whether it is a steering wheel, gamepad, or keyboard, is properly configured for a comfortable and responsive driving experience. Finally, the best part, serving your delicious homemade churros. While they are still warm from the fryer, roll them generously in a mixture of granulated sugar and ground cinnamon. This adds an irresistible sweet and spicy coating. For an extra special touch, serve your crispy churros alongside a warm, rich chocolate dipping sauce. These delightful treats are perfect for sharing or enjoying all by yourself as a wonderful dessert or snack.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.